Hello everybody, welcome to this platform and today's video. We have given question square root of y plus square root of negative y equals to 4, and we are supposed to find the value of y. Let's provide solution very quickly, and then of course here we have to copy what we have. We have square root of y plus square root of negative y equals to 4. What can we do right here? Now we can say square root of y, right? Then of course and plus square root of negative y, and then minus square root of negative y equals to 4 minus square root of negative y. If you are seeing this way, this one and this will be cancelled to get square root of y equal to 4 minus square root of negative y. Now at this stage we want to move this square root we have on this side, so we have to square both sides, right? So we shall get y equal to 4 squared minus 2 times 4 times square root of negative y, then of course plus square root of negative y squared, and this is y equals to 16 minus 8 square root of negative y, then of course minus y, right? And this is what we have right here. Now what can we do? Of course you have negative, so we shall try to say 2y when we group them to get 2y equals to 16 minus 8 square root of negative y. Then what can we do right here? Now of course we shall divide 2 to get y equals to 8 minus 4 square root of negative y, and of course by grouping like terms we have y minus 8, which equals to negative 4 square root of negative y. And at this stage we can remove this square that we have right here by square both sides, so we shall get y squared minus 16y plus 64, right? And this will be 16 times negative y, and of course this is y squared minus 16y plus 64 equals to negative 16y. And then at this stage of course we have the number which are on both sides, opposite sides, but they are the same, so that here we shall cancel them to get y squared plus 64 equals to 0, and then y squared will be negative 64, and of course y only will be positive or negative square root of here negative 64, and of course we get y which equals to positive or negative 8y, to mean that y1 equals to 8i and y2 equals to negative 8i, and this is the value of y that we have right here. And of course here you have to check if the answer is correct, and of course here we have to copy the question. You have square root of y, then plus square root of negative y equals to 4, right? So by substituting this 8i, we get square root of 8i, right? Then plus square root of we have, of course this will be negative 8i, and this will be 4. Right, then what can we do? We can square both sides, right, in order to check if they are equal. And of course here we shall get the square root of 8i squared, right, then plus 2 square root of 8i times square root of negative 8i, right, then plus square root of negative 8i squared, right, and this will be equals to 16, and this is what we have right here. Now of course this will be 8i, then of course we have here minus 8i that we have right here on both sides, then plus 2 square root of here we have 64, then we have 64i, which equals to 16, and of course this and this will be cancelled to get here divide 2, and here we have to divide 2, and then we have square root of 64i, which equals to 8, right. Then of course here, because here I've given I squared, right, and then of course here we have negative I times I, to mean that we have I squared, which is negative 1 times negative I squared is equals to 1, which equals to, because this I squared is equal to negative 1 times 1, and this will be 64, which is equals to 8. Then of course square root of 64 is equals to 8, which is equal to 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.